As of April 14, 2020, the price was 8,150 pesos. And then on June 25, 2020, the price was brought down to 3,409 pesos. And then on November 30, 2021, the price was brought down to 2,800 pesos. And then on May 26, 2021, the price was further reduced to 2,287 pesos. And then on November 30, 2021, the price was 2,450 pesos. And then lastly, on June 10, 2022, Madam Chair, the price was... Wala na po, sorry. So the last price reduction was on November 30, 2021. It was at 2,450 pesos, Madam Chair. Thank you po.
Madam Chair, may we request PhilHealth to furnish us a breakdown of establishments, facilities, private and government, including the amount, and base it on the date of testing.
We'll do po.
Who actually receive COVID testing reimbursement. My follow-up question to Secretary Duque, Madam Chair.
Yes po, ma'am. We will submit po.
Thank you,
po.
maraming salamat. Sec, hindi po ba sa lahat ng mga testing na ginagawa, there's a WHO formula that is being utilized?
Yes, if I recall, that is part of the considerations in the formulation of the testing costs.
So, Madam Chair,
Madam Chair,
Yes,
I just
Sec.
wanted
Duque.
to interject with your permission that in the initial stage of the pandemic, where there was a scant supply of test kits, the testing cost was clearly very high, but as soon as time went by and supplies and prices started to stabilize, then DOH with PhilHealth started to make the corresponding adjustments. So they started to reformulate the testing fees so that pababa ng pababa as the supplies increased and as the prices stabilized. Thank you, Your Honor.
yeah, Madam Chair, if I bring back the memory of the Honorable Secretary Duque, nababa po ng nababa ang presyo nung paulit-ulit po namin kinakatok ang inyong opisina during the budget deliberations. Because 8,150 per COVID test is exorbitant. Kaya nga po, Madam Chair, if the Honorable Duque is aware that there is a WHO formula being used in computation, this will point to the fact that the test cost should have actually been between 2,000 to 2,500 pesos. Di po ba? So, nag-take advantage yung iba kasi binigyan na ng presyo na 8,150. So, Madam Chair, may I request the Secretariat for the next hearing, we invite those responsible for computing such. Kasi kawawa naman yung taong bayan na napag-isip na ganun pala kamahal. Secretary, did you ever ask your counterpart ministers in other countries? Kagaya po ng Thailand, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, yung ating pong mga neighbors, because there's a network where secretaries collaborate and discuss. Natanong niyo po ba sila magkano yung kanilang COVID testing cost?
I'm sorry, Madam Chairperson, I don't recall having consulted my contemporaries in the other ministries of health, but I would like to believe that the benefit package or benefit development office of PhilHealth was the responsible office to ensure that the testing fees or costs are sensitive to our people's ability to pay. No? So, yung benefit development
So,
office
Madam Chair, ang sinasabi po, tinuturo po ni Secretary Duque yung benefit office. But is it not prudent for you as Secretary of Health to oversee? So my next question, Secretary Herbosa, dahil kayo po ay nanungkulan rin sa Departamento ng Kalusugan before. If you were the Secretary of Health during the time of the pandemic at nakikita mo hindi sinunod yung WHO formula, tayo ang may pinakamahal na testing which is 8,150 per test compared to 2,000 pesos sa neighboring countries. What will you do, Honorable Secretary?
Thank you, Madam Chair. Usually, even our price of other medical devices and tests increase because of additional VAT, the traders' costs. So when we compare our healthcare costs to other countries, there's a slight markup. So I'll just make sure that the comparable markup is not exorbitant. So you'll also
Actually,
compare
Madam
with
Chair,
other
my
countries.
question was, what are you going to do if you were the secretary during that time? At nakita nga, kasi ang sinasabi ni Secretary Duque, ang nag-compute daw ay yung isang opisina sa PhilHealth. But of course, he's the chairman of the board. At alam lahat yung cost nun. Kasi malawakan na naririnig yon. So my question is, tsaka SecTed, ang VAT po ay 12% lang. So we're talking about 2,000 pesos versus 8,150. Siguro naman, hindi naman po yun yung customs duties, taxes, and VAT. So my question is, having been with the Department of Health, and now that you are Secretary, and as Secretary of Health, you oversee, you're the chairman of the Board of PhilHealth, susundin mo lang ba ang sinabi ng isang opisina, nag-compute kami ganito, meron namang WHO formula.
We agree, Madam Chair, no? We have to look at all costs. Tama din naman yung sinabi ni former Secretary Duque na at the beginning there was scarcity of all these tests, so that the prices
Madam Chair,
even
pasensya na po.
from sources
Sec,
was
if
higher.
with due courtesy, please answer my question directly. Napakasimple po ng tanong ko. Tama po ba na hindi ka gumalaw, maging pipi at bigi ka na lang, na alam mo namang napakamahal ng testing at inaabuso ng PhilHealth and inaabuso yung taong bayan kasi may pandemya? My question is, 8,150 ang binigay, suggested, recommended testing cost. Recommended yan eh. Kasi hindi naman ikaw ang nagdi-decide. As head of the agency, will you just accept it? That can be answerable by yes or no.
No, we'll not just accept it. We'll have to study it and compare with both local and international costs. In fact, at that time, ang mababa po, pinakamababa po was the Philippine Red Cross na testing rates.
Yeah, Madam Chair, may I request the Honorable Herbosa to please answer all our questions directly and avoid going around the bush because this is a serious hearing. Moving forward, Madam Chair, ang sinabi ni Secretary Duque kanina is pandemic, mahirap, walang supply. Tama naman po yun. But is it not, Secretary Duque, that the government is the most powerful institution in a country? In fact, any hospital or any clinic will have difficulty surviving if they are not accredited by PhilHealth or the government. So yung sinabi niyong hindi kaya ng gobyerno, kasi yung stock nasa mga pribadong sektor lang. But we were seeing in the news that the authorities were actually raiding the private businessmen for this. So ano po ang comment nyo dito?
I don't exactly I did not understand the context.
Yeah, the context, Madam Chair, is earlier, the Honorable Secretary said, kaya naging mahal yan, hindi na kayo nag-communicate sa ibang ministers of health, hindi nyo na rin kinonsider yung WHO formula kasi talaga namang may shortage at walang stock. Pero kung walang stock, bakit kaya ng private sector magpa-test?